Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucas Dantas here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a course on HighLevel and also create upsell offer. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do this, either through an order bump during the checkout or having this option available when people already signed up for your course. If you like content like this, subscribe to this channel and make sure you have enabled notifications so you get notified every time there's a new video. Editor, play the intro. What's up everyone? I'm back bringing another content about GoHighLevel. Today we're going to talk about courses inside of GoHighLevel. I have already a video where I have showed you how you can set up your courses inside of the platform. I have also a video where I show you how you can customize the appearance of your course, the login page, the course archive page, and also the course itself. And today I'm going to show you how you can sell your courses through the platform. I already have my screen sharing with you guys. I have an example right here in front of you. It's a client of ours. What I'm going to do is, you see that I already have 7 courses here. What we're going to do is see how we can add one course to a page and also create upsell offers inside of the course and also during the checkout. So let's start this right now. So the first step of this tutorial is to actually create a course. That's something that I have already shown in a previous video. So I'm just going to clone an existing one and we're going to use that one as reference for all the steps that we're going to go through here in this video. So I'm going to get this course right here. I'm going to clone it and I have to wait a little while it's processing. So now that the course has been cloned, I'm going to rename it just so we have like a name that we don't get confused later. So I'm going to call this test course, okay? And by looking at this course, I can notice a few things. For example, the CSS information has been copied. I can see it here. All the icon logo information has been copied as well. And then you can see the outline of the course. All the content is cloned, okay? We're not going to change this. In here, you can see the offers available. You can enable comments on your course, and you can also add certificate. You'll see that later on, but at least we have the course ready for our setup. The second step now is to create an offer for this course. And to create an offer for this course, we click on courses and then offers. In here, we create an offer. I'm going to call this test offer for course. I'm going to add the product test course. You can add more products. You can create a bundle here on the offer as well. Okay. And here I'm going to add a one-time fee. It's going to be $97. You can add recurring in a yearly basis, monthly, weekly. So you can set up the frequency that makes sense for you. But here in this case, we're just going to do a one-time payment, $97. I'm going to put on live mode and then I'm going to click on create. After you click on create, the offer is not active. So you do have to publish here. Okay. And the other thing I would recommend is to add an image just so it doesn't look ugly if you actually use this checkout. And I'm saying that because you have two options. One of them is actually like use this link to send to people so they can buy your course. People will buy your course right away from here. Or you can also add the course as a product on your funnel. And that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to go to products. So I already found the order page. This is where people will do the checkout on the step. I go to products. I already see some of my courses here. I'm going to add this, the test offer course, just like we have done. We need to create the offer so it shows up here. Without the offer, it won't show up. You can also add different pricings for this offer as well. In this case, we're just going to do the only offer pricing that we have, the only pricing available. In here, you can set up as main product and not allow people to buy more than one. If you want to allow more than one, you can enable this and have it up to 10, up to how many numbers you would like to. Here, we're just letting people buy one and we're going to save this, okay? And now, when I go to this page right here, I'm gonna go back here to show you how it looks like. Have sticky contact, so it's getting my information. And then I go to step 2, I see the test offer course here. You see, $97. And then I can complete the offer after I put my payment information. But this is not the only thing we're going to do. We're also going to create an upsell offer here, okay? So now that we're ready to create an upsell, let's start with cloning the course. You can, of course, you're going to set up a new course with the new structure with new classes. But in this case, we're just going to show you how you can do this. So we're going to clone this existing course. We're going to wait until it's finishing processing. There we go. And now I'm going to edit this course with a name that's easy for us to identify. Upsell course. I'm going to save this. And now the next step, I'm going to create an offer with this course. The title upsell course as well. In here, one time, and I'm going to put this $47 live and create. I'm going to make it live. live, publish. I'm gonna add an image as well. I'm gonna save this. And now I'm gonna go back to offers. I'm gonna go to our original offer, the test offer for course. And I'm going to click on upsell. And here is where I add an upsell. So here, I have two options. One of them is one-click upsell. This would only work if people are signing up using this link right here, okay? If you use the checkout, this option here will not work. And this in-app upsell is after people buy a course, after they log in, they see the option to unlock other courses and they have to pay for it. Let me show you an example. I have it right here. So this guy right here, I'm logged in as him, and then I go to courses, and right here, you can see when you do the in-app upsell, this is how it looks like. So people will see the courses locked and then the pricing right here. And if they click on it, they go to the checkout page and they need to enroll, they need to pay to get access to that course. That's how it works, okay? So we're going to do this one, in-app upsell. We're going to do the upsell course, and there we go. Here we can customize, we can change the colors, change the font, we can change most things here, but this is not the purpose of today's video. So we're going to make it active right here. We're going to save, and this is the upsell in-app. Okay, now we're going to do the other upsell so you see how it looks like. Now I'm going to show you how you can do the upsell on the checkout page, and we're going to get assistant. I'm going to go to that same funnel I was working with, the same step, and here I'm going to add a product. I'm going to do the upsell course, and here I'm going to add as a bump product, you see? And now the next step is come here to the page. You need to add it. And right here on advanced, I can enable order bump. I can add the bump product here, and we can do, let me show you how this is going to look like. And here we can add a headline saying like upsell course for only 47. And you can even do like proven 7 methods for selling your course. You know, I'm just giving this an example so you see how it looks like. You see, saved it, that's how it looks like. And then if I save this and I go to the page, I'll be able to get the task offer course and also the upsell for $144. Easy, right? But wait, that's not all. If you use the checkout feature here, you have to enable automations to make sure that people get access to the courses. That's the next step of what we're going to do. So we're going to go back, we're going to go to automation, and I already have an example here. So basically your automation needs to make sure that when an order has been submitted, you're going to choose the global product. In our case, it's test offer for course, okay? And we have to do one for upsell course as well. But the main product is Junior Vet Assistant in this case. And we are removing a tag, adding other tags, but we are adding the membership grant offer Junior Vet Assistant. And you also need to make sure that your other upsell offer, you also have an automation that you add an order submitted, just like this one. You choose that global product as the upsell product, and you also grant the membership offer on the actions in your automation. And then that's it. You can customize that email address. I've showed you in my other video. And if you want to do that, you go to memberships, you go to products, and when you go to products, you click on customize, click on settings, and then here on email settings is where you can set up your email, your welcome email, okay? Here on edit, you can set up right here. And as you see, this is for your whole platform. So you don't want to make this exclusive to a course, unless that's the only course you're offering, okay? Because if you do have other courses, you don't want to make this very specific. And the other thing you could do is disable the welcome email and create your own using the template. And the last thing I wanted to show is some automations that you can create to even improve how you conduct your courses. Is, for example, this one. I have a course initiated automation. And what this does is whenever someone buys the course, I add a tag to that contact saying course not initiated. And when they first start a lesson, I add the tag course initiated. And why do I do this? Because everyone that has a tag course not initiated, I then 7 days later, 5 days later, I send a message asking them if there's anything wrong. And people who have initiated, I can, on your automation, you can even choose a specific category. So people finish a specific category, you can ask people for feedback, you know, and you can get testimonials for your courses to put on your landing pages. So there's a lot of things that you can do. You can add a free course and then add a bunch of upsell offers there, you know, like this course, for example. I can get part of the course that's paid, use as a lead magnet, and then add a bunch of other paid offers inside of the course. So these are all things that we can do inside of GoHighLevel. This platform is amazing, and I plan to keep bringing content to you guys. If you do like content like this, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like in this video, and make sure that you have enabled the notifications. Guys, I see you on the next one.